So you don't have a digital skill and you are looking to make money online. And you're wondering, is there a website that can help me earn a few thousands while I put myself together and learn a skill? Well, you are in luck today because in this video, I want to show you 3 websites that can pay you in Naira, working from the comfort of your home with just your smartphone. Yes, you don't need a skill, you don't need experience. All you need is press your phone and do simple tasks. I'm going to show you my result from one of these websites. I have done nothing to earn that money. So it is possible and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Look at this. These are screenshots, evidence of how much people make from this website on a daily basis. This one here is my own result. That's how much I made from this website. So I'm going to show you one uncommon way smart people make money from this website. Nobody's telling you about it. Hello, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. If you're looking for videos on how to make money working from home, then you're onto the right channel, you're watching the right video. So in today's video, I want to show you 3 websites where you can start earning money from today. You don't need a skill, you don't need an experience, you don't even need a laptop to do this because you can do all of this with just your smartphone. Now, are you ready? Let's dive in. The easiest way to make money from this website would be to perform simple social tasks. Tasks such as following people on Instagram, subscribe to your YouTube channel, follow people on Facebook, watch a video, download an app and get paid. You know, those simple tasks. But there's a better way to do this. This is actually one strategy nobody is telling you, and that's what smart guys are using to earn thousands and hundreds of thousands of Naira from this platform on a daily basis. Yes, there's a better way to make money from this website, and that's exactly what I want to show you, and that is to hire workers to perform tasks for you. So here is what you have to do. Reach out to businesses, small businesses, individuals, brands, musicians, influencers, people that are looking to grow their social media account or get people to sign up or download their app and all of that. Those people are looking for ways to grow their social media following, and this is where you come in. All you need is reach out to them, explain to them that you can help them get this result in a specified period of time, then go on and bill them. Charge them between 70 to 200,000 Naira to get this task done. Once you close this deal, take this money and head over to this website. Now on this website, you can see where it says hire workers. Now, all you need is just create a free account and then list this particular task you want to perform for your clients. Now, you are going to pay people 5 Naira, 7 Naira, 10 Naira, 15 Naira, even 20 Naira to get this task done. Assuming the task is to get 200 people to follow this social media influencer on Instagram, and then you are paying just 20 Naira to do this. Let's do the maths. You collected 100,000 Naira from this influencer or upcoming artist to help him grow his Instagram account to 500 followers. Now, you come over on this platform and you pay people 20 Naira only to do this task. And that is 20 multiplied by 500. That will give us a total of 10,000 Naira. So you're going to be spending maximum 15,000 Naira to get this task done. And this is something you build 100,000 for. Same thing goes small businesses, because every small business out there wants to grow their social media following. Now, the truth is there's more money online than offline. So every entrepreneur, every small business owner, every brand understands the power of social media, and everybody wants to be there. They want to grow a robust social following to be able to sell when they are ready to promote. And this is exactly where you come in. So whether it's a small business owner, is a brand, is an artist, or whatever they do, looking to grow their online presence, you reach out to them and then close this deal as a smart guy. You bill them 70,000, 100,000, 120, 150. Imagine getting 2-3 brands to do this for on a monthly basis. Now, the link to sign up on this platform is contained in the description of this video. Here is the name of this website. All you need is create a free account and get started. Now, here are other ways you can make money from this platform. The first is to do the task, which is you completing a task, and then you get paid depending on how big or stressful the task is. You can earn between 10 Naira to 200 Naira for simple task. The next way to make money on this platform is referral. This website will pay you 500 Naira for bringing people to sign up. You'll be credited this amount of money. Another way to make money is to earn points every time you log in. This is something I find very interesting and very unique on this website. You don't get any other platform offer you this. So anytime you log in here, you get credited points. You can go on and redeem these points in gift card or even convert it to money. How do you sign up on this platform? All you need is click on the link in the description of this video and it's going to bring you to this page. Then you go on and submit your basic details, your name, your email address, your password, and your phone number. Once you are done supplying these basic details, you click on the create account. You also need to fill this place that says referral. This is where you put the name of someone that invited you or how you came to know about this platform. Now, when you are inviting other people to join this platform so you too can make money from it, you need to remind them that when they get to this point, they need to put your name. This way, when they successfully create their own account, you will be credited 500 Naira. Now, the second website where you can earn money from without digital skill is Naira Worker. This platform has paid me too, and I did not do anything. Yes, I didn't do anything to earn this amount of money you are seeing right now on my dashboard. All you need is create account and do simple social media tasks. I made this amount of money through referral. That's yet another way to make money from this website. There are tasks that pay you as much as 400, 500, 600 for completing them. So once you are done, your money will be credited immediately. Now, here's a smart thing you can do. When you get these brands to pay you for this contract, all you need is you use the first website, you use this second one, and you also use the third one. So you are at the end of the day, you'll be able to get people from different platforms to execute this task. And then you'll be able to do it as fast as possible. The third website where you can make money from on a daily basis without any digital skill or experience is Overdaily. This platform is very unique and it's got a lot of tasks. I've had a lot of people talk about how they earn hundreds of thousands of naira from this website doing those basic tasks I'm about to list out for you. So yes, it's legit. However, Overdaily is not free. If you're looking to get a lot of tasks you can execute and make money on a daily basis, you will need to pay a fee or to create account on this platform. Once you create your account, you have access to a whole lot of tasks that you can execute. Now, there's a free version which actually doesn't offer you a lot. It gives you a limited number of tasks you can do in a day and the pay is relatively low. There are 4 different ways you can earn from this platform. The first one is to execute tasks and get paid. The second way is affiliate. So once you create account, you automatically becomes an affiliate, which means you can promote offers on this website and you earn affiliate commission for doing that. Overdaily will pay you 1,600 Naira each time you get people to create their account using your referral link. The third way to make money from this Overdaily is to promote your own products and services. So yes, it's beyond social media task platform. It's actually where you can sell your products and services, getting people to help you sell your products and services. Now, the fourth way is as a digital marketer, you resell services. That is helping your clients to achieve whatever goal or target they have. These 3 websites are Nigerian based, so they will pay you in Naira. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video.